Hello everyone, let's fix this puffer jacket hole at home with the help of thread and needle. As you can see, we're going to put a small piece of denim inside the cut portion. Look like this. You can also take another fabric in place of this. Now we're going to use this blue thread and start stitching on the top of the cut portion. You can use similar color. Here we're going to make a beautiful embroidery design as well. This is a very simple design. In place of this, you can also make beautiful flowers, stars and any other character as well. Now it's totally up to you and your embroidery skills. Here we're going to use the back side of the needle. As you can see, we're going to simply make the design on the top of the stitches. Look how easy and beautiful this design is looking. Finally, we're going to tie a knot back side, cut the thread, and look, it is ready. Let's mend the torn bottom portion of this denim jeans. You can easily fix it at home by placing a similar denim fabric inside. So let's get started. First, gather your materials like a piece of denim fabric that matches your jeans, scissors, sewing machine, a strong thread and pins. Cut a small piece of the matching denim fabric that is slightly larger than the tear. Now place this patch underneath the torn portion. Fix it carefully. You can use pins to hold the patch in place so it doesn't shift while you are stitching it. Next, we are going to use this sewing machine, but you can also use thread and needle in place of this. Now we are going to begin stitching around the edges of the patch, making small even stitches to secure it to the jeans. You can use a simple straight stitch or a zigzag stitch for extra strength. Now we are going to fold the fabric and put it inside. Look how we are using scissors to do that, and start stitching it. Once you have stitched around the entire patch, you can cut the extra fabric. You can trim it as well. This method not only saves your jeans but also adds a fun personalized touch, making it a practical and rewarding skills to have. You can see it like this, and look how beautiful this is looking, and look, your new jeans is ready. Let's recycle this old t-shirt at home and make shorts out of it. As you can see, we're going to draw a line on the top and then start cutting it from top and bottom. Now we're going to pull it from the center like this and divide it into two parts. After this, we're going to put the elastic and stitch all of them together like this, and look, your shorts are ready. In this video, we're going to learn how you can stitch the pocket on the top of this fabric. It is a very thick fabric. As you can see, we're going to fold it from the corners. Now take similar fabric and then we're going to stitch it on the top of it. This is the pocket portion. So we're going to fold it from the side and stitch it. Now cut the extra fabric using scissors. After this, we're going to flip it and look, it is done. You can look it from the corner as well. Now we're going to do the final stitching like this, and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.